There's a certain point where robot vacuums stop feeling like convenient gadgets and start feeling like genuinely capable cleaning systems. And once you experience that difference, it becomes surprisingly difficult to go back. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Roborock Q7 M5 robot vacuum and mop combo, a premium robotic vacuum and mop system designed for pet owners, busy households, large homes, and anyone looking for a smarter, more complete approach to floor cleaning. If you're dealing with pet hair, mixed flooring, daily dust buildup, or simply want a robot vacuum that feels more intelligent and refined in daily use, this product immediately becomes relevant. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. What separates the Q7 M5 from many mid-range robot vacuums is how complete the overall experience feels. Strong suction alone no longer defines a premium robotic cleaner. Navigation, anti-tangle performance, intelligent mopping, and long-term usability matter just as much, and this system approaches those areas thoughtfully. Reason 1. Exceptional suction power creates real confidence. With 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction, the Q7 M5 delivers the kind of cleaning performance that begins approaching traditional vacuum territory. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, and deeply embedded debris are lifted effectively across carpets, tile, and hard flooring. More importantly, the suction feels consistent rather than aggressive for marketing purposes. In everyday use, floors simply stay cleaner with less manual intervention. Reason 2. The anti-tangle system genuinely improves ownership. Hair tangling remains one of the most frustrating maintenance issues for robot vacuums, especially in homes with pets. Roborock addresses this with a dual anti-tangle system that combines the jaw scraper's comb main brush with a tangle-free side brush. The result is a cleaner running machine that requires less frequent manual maintenance over time, which becomes surprisingly valuable in long-term ownership. Reason 3. Smart mopping adds meaningful versatility. Unlike basic robot mops that simply drag a damp cloth across the floor, the electronically controlled water tank allows adjustable water flow levels depending on flooring type and cleaning needs. Lower settings work safely for wood flooring, while stronger water flow can target kitchen areas or dried surface residue more effectively. The ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously also creates a more complete cleaning cycle in a single pass. Reason 4. LiDAR navigation makes the cleaning feel intelligent. The precise LiDAR mapping system quickly scans the home and creates accurate room layouts within the app. This allows the vacuum to clean in organized, efficient paths rather than random movement patterns. Features like no-go zones, furniture placement, room customization, and flooring adjustments create a level of control that feels genuinely premium in day-to-day use. Reason 5. Designed especially well for larger homes, with a 400 milliliters dustbin, 270 milliliters water tank, and up to 150 minutes of runtime. The Q7 M5 handles larger spaces comfortably on a single charge. Roborock estimates coverage up to 2,260 square feet during mop-only cleaning, which makes this system particularly attractive for family homes and open layouts where smaller robot vacuums often struggle with endurance. Reason 6. Quiet, polished, and easy to live with. At around 60 decibels in mop-only mode, the Q7 M5 remains relatively quiet for its performance level. App scheduling, suction adjustments, no-go zones, and voice assistant compatibility all contribute to a smoother ownership experience that feels refined rather than overly technical. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it balances strong cleaning performance with everyday usability exceptionally well. Of course, there are limitations worth acknowledging. Like most robot vacuums, extremely cluttered environments can affect efficiency, and deep stain removal still occasionally benefits from manual mopping. It's also a more premium-priced option compared to basic entry-level robotic cleaners. But for pet owners, busy households, mixed flooring, and users wanting a more complete smart cleaning experience, the Roborock Q7 M5 stands out for how intelligently it combines power, navigation, convenience, and long-term practicality. Ultimately, This is the kind of product that doesn't just automate cleaning, it meaningfully reduces the amount of time and effort you spend thinking about it altogether. Thank you for watching Buy with Confidence. If the Roborock Q7 M5 feels like the right fit for your home, you'll find the product link in the description below. And as always, choose thoughtfully, buy carefully, and invest in products that genuinely improve daily living.